afternoon, students. Today we will discuss few examples of bijective functions. First example I have taken, show that f is defined from n to n is defined by fn is equal to n minus 1 to power n for all n belonging to natural number is a bijection. So firstly, we will try to redefine the given function. What we will do, we will take two cases because I have minus 1 to power n. It means for certain case it will be negative, for some cases it will be positive. So what I have done, I have taken when n is odd, then fn is equal to n plus 1. When n is even, fn is equal to n minus 1. Now I want to prove bijection, means we have to go for 1, 1 on 2. What we will do, we will take any two elements from the given domain. Let n and m be any two odd natural numbers. Remember, whenever we are given the function split form, whenever we are given the function defined in the split domain, always we have to search for all possible cases. Here what we will do, we are taking three cases. First case when both the inputs are odd. Second case when both the inputs are even. Third case when one input is odd and other one is even. So I will start with let n and m be two odd numbers such that fn is equal to fm. Since they are odd, so fn will become n plus 1, fm will become m plus 1, and on solving we will get n is equal to m. Now we will go for second case. We are taking n and m as two even natural numbers. If we are taking n and m as two even natural numbers such that their images are equal, means fn is equal to fm, means n minus 1 is equal to m minus 1, and this also concludes n is equal to m. Now we will go for the third possible case. If n is odd and m is even, means one of them I have taken odd, other one I have taken even. So these are the natural numbers such that fn is equal to fm. Fn will work like n plus 1, fm will work like m minus 1. What we notice, we are getting n as equal to m minus 2. Keep in mind, n is odd, m is even. So it is not possible to have n as equal to m minus 2. Means it is impossible. If it is impossible means what? When n is not equal to m, fn is not equal to fm. And hence we can say by the contrapositive approach that the given function is 1, 1. Now children, we will discuss f is on 2. So here also two cases arise. Why? Because we are having a split domain. So let n belong to odd natural number, then n plus 1 will be even. If I say n is an odd number and n plus 1 will be even, and f of n plus 1 will be defined as n plus 1 minus 1 is equal to n. Similarly, if I go for n as even natural number, if n is even natural number, n minus 1 will be odd, means f of n minus 1 will be equal to n minus 1 plus 1 is equal to n, and this n is even. What we are noticing in two cases, that for even number we are getting the image as odd, for odd number we are getting the image as even. Means we can conclude that for every element in the codomain of f, there exists a pre-image in the domain. Hence the function is on 2, and hence it is a bijective function.